First question is, what do you mean by the word ex officio?
Ma'am, repeat question.
What do you mean by the word ex officio?
Good morning, ma'am.
By virtue of being in office.
By what?
ये तो बहुत है, मीनिंग इसका समझा दीजिए।
Ma'am, holding official position.
आप एक एग्जाम्पल देकर समझा दो।
Ma'am, the chairman of Rajya Sabha is the vice president of India, but he or she is also the chairman of the house, but he or she is not the member of the house.
Okay, it means that already holding a post. तो कौन सा पोस्ट वो होल्ड कर रहे हैं? He is the vice president.
Ma'am.
After that also means already holding a post of vice president, वो क्या कर रहे हैं कि वो चेयरमैन है कहाँ के?
Ma'am, which chapter we are doing?
We are doing chapter number 18. वो वाइस चेयरमैन है वो कहाँ के? तो राज्यसभा के, मतलब वो वहाँ का चेयरमैनशिप, वो वहाँ के चेयरमैन है। ठीक है, तो यही है मीनिंग। और आपने जो मीनिंग कहा, वर्ड मीनिंग, वो भी सही है, बट मैं बस आपसे जानना चाहती थी कि मीनिंग आप समझ रहे हो कि नहीं। वर्ड मीनिंग तो बहुत जगह लिखी रहती है, बट आपकी समझ में वो चीज आया है कि नहीं? यहाँ है कि बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ बीइंग इन ऑफिस और होल्डिंग एन ऑफिशियल पोजीशन। ठीक है, अच्छा। अब बताइए एक क्वेश्चन। ड्यूरिंग लोकसभा इलेक्शंस reserved constituencies are meant for रिजर्व कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी। मैंने आपको समझाया था, उसकी मीनिंग क्या है?
Scheduled castes.
Yes, the reserved constituency.
I'm scheduled caste. Scheduled caste.
From constituency, only scheduled caste and scheduled tribe can contest the of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe can contest the election, but जो वोटर हैं वो सब लोग माने जनरल पब्लिक भी होते हैं। ऐसा इसलिए किया गया है कि फ्रॉम दैट कम्युनिटी सम कुछ उन लोग आगे आए फॉर द अपलिफ्टमेंट ऑफ दैट कम्युनिटी। ठीक है, ब्रिंग देम एज पर द जनरल पीपल। ओके, नेक्स्ट। अब व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इम्पीचमेंट?
Ma'am, the process to remove
The process of the removal of a president.
or chief justice. The process of removal of president.
Chief Justice.
ठीक है, अच्छा। What is the term of the member of Rajya Sabha?
6 years.
6 years. Okay. Which house is a permanent house?
Rajya Sabha.
Rajya Sabha.
Okay, Rajya Sabha, ठीक है। Why is Rajya Sabha called a permanent house?
Ma'am,
Because
after
it can
every
never
2
be
years,
dissolved.
two-third of the members of the Rajya Sabha retire, but fresh elections are held to fill those seats. Hence, the house cannot be dissolved. Therefore, it is called a permanent house.
Okay, कोई और बोलेंगे?
Rajya Sabha is known as the permanent house because it cannot be dissolved. After every 2 years, one third of the member of Rajya Sabha retire and elections are held to fill that seats which are not filled.
Vacant seats. Okay. अच्छा. Who elected as a member and for how long? Means Rajya Sabha में who can be elected as a member of Rajya Sabha and how long? How long कभी बताए हो, फिर भी इस क्वेश्चन के साथ है तो आप बता दो फिर से.
To be a member of Rajya Sabha, a person must be a citizen of India. He or she not be less than 30 years of age, and his or her name must be in the voters list.
Okay, very good. और कोई बताइए? और कोई बताइए? Same question. What is the composition of Rajya Sabha and who can be the member of Rajya Sabha and for how long? किसी और को नहीं?
The maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. Out of these, 12 members are nominated by the President of India, and the remaining 238 are elected from states and union territories. The 12 nominated members are distinguished personalities who excel in various fields of art, literature, science, social service, sports, etc. To become a member of Rajya Sabha, a person must be a citizen of India and not less than 30 years of age. Her name must be in the voter lists. The tenure of Rajya Sabha. The tenure of each member of Rajya Sabha has a term of 6 years.
Okay. Acha. I am asking about the two person that is speaker and deputy speaker of Lok Sabha. From which party they belong to?
And the speaker belongs from the ruling party and the deputy speaker from the opposition party.
Very good, very good. Acha, how many members are nominated for Lok Sabha by the president?
2 members.
Two Anglo-Indians.
2 Anglo-Indians.
They are of Anglo-Indian community. They are of Anglo-Indian community. अच्छा, अब थोड़ा सा लोकसभा का कॉम्पोजिशन बता दीजिए.
The maximum strength of Lok Sabha is 552 members. Out of these, 30 members are directly elected by the people, whereas the remaining 20 are elected from the union territories, and the remaining 2 members are nominated by the President of India from the Anglo-Indian community.
Okay, and what qualification should be needed to be a member of Lok Sabha?
In order to become a member of Lok Sabha, the candidate must have following qualifications.
Must have the following qualifications. He must be a citizen of India.
He or he must be a citizen of India. She or he must have completed the 25 years of age. He or her or his name must
Such
be
other qualifications as may be prescribed under the law made by the parliament.
अच्छा, दिव्या राज, आप शुरू से बोलो तो ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर. आनंद वैभव, आपने, फिर पूजा, सब ने एक साथ शुरू कर दिया था. तो दिव्या पहले एक बार बोलिए, तो आप पहली बार बोल रही हैं, तो आप बोलिए तो. हाँ, क्या नहीं आ रहा?
Ma'am,
क्या नहीं आ रहा है?
Ma'am, to become a member of the law.
बोलो दिव्या, बोलो दिव्या.
मैम बोलने ही नहीं दे रहे.
दिव्या बोलो.
मैम चित्रांश मैम बीच बीच में बोल दे रहा है।
वही चित्रांश चुप रहे, दिव्या बोलो ना।
Ma'am, to become a member of the Lok Sabha, she or he must be a citizen of India, or her or his name must be in the voters list, or she or he should not be a government servant, or she or he must have the completed 25 years of age.
ओके, ठीक है। अच्छा, अब बोलो, how many lists are there made by union government, and how many subjects are listed in those lists, and who make laws on it? I have asked 3 questions. In this question, you have to write 3 parts. After completing a part, you have to change the paragraph and write the second part. Then again change the paragraph and write the third part. Now start.
There are 3 lists. First is the union list, second is the state list, and the third is the concurrent list.
Okay.
There are 97 subjects in the union list on which the parliament makes laws, and there are 66 subjects in the state list, and the laws are made by the state government on these subjects. And at last, there are 52 subjects in the concurrent list, and both the parliament and the state government makes law on those subjects.
अच्छा, बाकी बच्चों से पूछ रही हूँ, क्या यहाँ पे कुछ ऐड करना जरूरी था जो कि इसमें नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या बताओ?
Examples.
हाँ?
Examples.
Ma'am, examples.
मैम नेम ऑफ सब सब्जेक्ट।
Foreign
नेम ऑफ
subject.
तनिष्का किसने?
Subjects.
मैम नेम ऑफ सम सब्जेक्ट दैट इट कंटेन।
ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल के सिवा भी इसमें कुछ छोड़ा?
हम स्टेट लिस्ट में पार्लियामेंट भी लॉज बना सकते हैं।
Ma'am, central government make laws on residuary.
सब बात नहीं पूछ रही हूँ। इसने कहा कि there are 3 lists are there और यूनियन स्टेट कॉन्करेंट कहा, इसमें क्या कुछ छोड़ा? मैं एग्जाम्पल
रेसिडुअरी सब्जेक्ट।
हाँ,
मैम रेसिड्यूरी सब्जेक्ट।
लास्ट में आपको लिखना था, लास्ट में आपको कहना था कि beside these 3 subjects there are one more subject. There is one more subject that is called residuary subject, which subjects are enlisted here. Those subjects are in residuary subject, और फिर यूनियन गवर्नमेंट मेक लॉ, फिर उसके बारे में और फिर एग्जाम्पल देते हैं। ठीक है, वो आपने वहां वो अपने मन से आपको जोड़ना था, ये लाइन आपको लिखना था। ठीक है, अब बताइए कि इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी बिलोंग टू विच सब्जेक्ट? हाँ,
रेसिडुअरी सब्जेक्ट।
Agriculture and forest belong to which subject?
States list।
Ma'am, state list.
Belong to which list? Foreign affair and railway belong to which list?
मैम यूनियन लिस्ट।
यूनियन लिस्ट।
Ma'am, union list.
Adulteration of foodstuff, agricultural land belong to which list?
Concurrent list.
Concurrent list.
And divorce belong to which list?
Concurrent list.
Concurrent list।
Foreign exchange belong to which list?
यूनियन लिस्ट।
Union list.
Union list.
Transfer of property belong to which list?
Concurrent list.
Concurrent list.
Computer software and e-commerce belong to which list?
Residuary.
रेसिड्यूरी लिस्ट।
Health and sanitation belong to which list?
State list.
Okay.
State list.
Very good. Tell me, what do you mean by universal adult franchisee?
Universal adult
According
franchise
to
is the right given to the citizen of given to the peoples that a person who has completed 18 year can vote in during the elections.
Okay. Acha. Tell me, to ensure the principle of federalism, principles of federalism, Lok Sabha represent the
People of India.
People of India.
People of India.
People Council of India.
People of India. Council of India.
Council of India.
Rajya Sabha represents the
States.
states of India.
states.
States of India.
गुड, वेरी गुड। ये लाइन आप लोग बीच में से याद रखिएगा, ठीक है? बीच में से दे करके उसको एक्सप्लेन करने कह सकता है। Which right gives the people an opportunity to actively participate in the political process of the country?
Universal
Universal
Universal adult franchise.
Universal adult franchise.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। अच्छा, अगर ये लाइन आपको दे दिया जाए, एक लाइन मैं पढ़ती हूँ, उसके अगेंस्ट में आप क्या लिखोगे, ठीक है? और वो सब डिस्कस मैं अभी तुरंत भी कर चुकी हूँ, कई बार भी कर चुकी हूँ, चैप्टर पर ही आप जानते हो, बट मैं एक लाइन पढ़ रही हूँ। मिडिल ऑफ द चैप्टर से देने का रिवाज है क्लास 8 में, और सिर्फ दे देता है आप लोग की जानकारी को जांचता है, क्योंकि देखो ना, अभी पूछती हूँ तो आप समझ जाना। Union and state governments have a definite jurisdiction of legislative powers. Explain with example. Repeating once again, union and state governments have a definite jurisdiction of legislative powers without any conflict. Explain this
To ensure this,
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
to ensure this, state government provided the right to make laws on some subjects which are mentioned in the union list, state list and concurrent list.
वेरी गुड। क्लियर करो, पूरी तरह से बोलो, फिर से बोलो, क्योंकि सब लोग सुनेंगे। जिन लोगों को थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन भी है, पूरा बोलो, क्योंकि मान लो ये 5 मार्क्स मैं दी हूँ, 5 मार्क्स लगी हूँ। अभी कहा फिर से शुरू से बोलो, अच्छे से बोलो।
To ensure that the union and the state government have a definite jurisdiction of the legislative powers without any conflict, they have provided some lists to ensure that they have rights to make laws on only these subjects which mentioned in the union list, state list and the concurrent list. For example, in the union list, only the parliament can make laws on the subject mentioned in the union list, for example, defense, foreign affairs, etc. And in the state list, only the state government can make laws, and in certain circumstances the parliament can also make laws on the subjects mentioned in the state list, for example, agriculture. And in concurrent list, both the parliament and the state government has the right to make laws on these.
लास्ट में लिखोगी, in this way we can say that union and state government have a definite jurisdiction of legislative power without any conflict or overlapping of function. ठीक है, उसको प्रूफ कर दोगी। बाकी बच्चों के समझ में आया था बेटा? कितने समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
आप लोग हैंड रेस कर दो, कितने लोगों के वहां पे आप लोग हैंड रेस करो कि मेरे समझ में। ऑनेस्टली रेस हैंड करो जिन लोगों के समझ में ये क्वेश्चन आ गया था अविका के बोलने से पहले। रेस हैंड। क्या हुआ, किसी के समझ में नहीं आया था? हेलो
मैम रेज हैंड नहीं हो।
यस मैम, रेज हैंड नहीं हो रहा है।
ओ नहीं हो रहा है, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? मैंने तो कोई ऑप्शन ऑफ नहीं किया है। ओके, सत्यम समझ गया था, कह रहा है 8 एज। और बच्चे बताइए तो बेटा, मुंह से बोलिए। आनंद आपके समझ में आया था?
यस मैम।
अच्छा, और बताइए सौम्या,
Yes, ma'am.
तनुष्का,
Yes, ma'am.
कृतिक,
मैम
यस मैम।
आयुष, 8A आयुष, रोल 39।
यस मैम।
अच्छा, आनंद तो बोल दिए। चित्रांश, पुष्कर, सानवी, अंशिका।
यस मैम।
अच्छा ठीक है, अब मैं दूसरे क्वेश्चन पे आई एम going to ask some another question. The topmost level of government in India is called
Union government.
Union government.
Union
government of the central government.
अच्छा, यूनियन गवर्नमेंट। इंडियन पार्लियामेंट इज डैश,
Bicameral.
bicameral. What is
Bicameral
bicameral?
Ma'am, it
is
has
on.
two
Consisting of
houses.
two houses.
Two
Houses,
It has
Lok
two
Sabha
houses.
and Rajya Sabha.
Two houses.
Ma'am, because it is a composition of two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Rajya Sabha. Very good, very good. अच्छा, union executive comprises of dash.
The President of India.
The President of India.
Prime Minister,
Ma'am, the
Union
President
Council,
of
Union
Headed
Council
by
of
the Prime
Ministers.
Minister.
President
Ma'am, the President of India and the Union Council of Ministers.
headed by Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
Yes, yes. And third organ of parliament is
Judiciary.
Judiciary.
highest court of India is
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court.
how many judges are there?
31.
31.
31. Maximum number can be 31.
And
Justice of India.
headed by
The
Chief Justice of India.
India, Chief Justice of India. Very good. अच्छा, explain the financial power of the parliament. हाँ ठीक तो बोली, यूनियन पार्लियामेंट। फाइनेंशियल पावर,
Financial power of the Union Parliament is the annual budget of the central government is passed by the Parliament every year. The government cannot impose any tax
yes, or occur any
if the pro-
expenditure. Okay.
if the proposal are not approved by the Parliament. The money bills can only be introduced in Lok Sabha.
Yes. कोई और बोलो।
If Rajya Sabha
The
makes
annual
any
budget of the
government-
central government is passed by the parliament every year. The government cannot impose any tax or incur any expenditure if the proposal are not approved by the parliament. Regarding money matters, the Lok Sabha is much powerful than the Rajya Sabha because money bills can only be introduced in Lok Sabha. If Rajya Sabha makes any recommendation regarding money bill, Lok Sabha may or may not accept it.
Very good, very good. अच्छा, power to amend the constitution. Explain the power to amend the constitution of our union parliament.
Regarding amendment of the Constitution, both the houses enjoy equal power. An amendment bill can be introduced in
either house, but it must be
passed by each house separately, and the Constitution of India provides 3 methods of amending the Constitution.
Okay. Kritir बोलो।
Ma'am, regarding the amendment of constitution, both the houses enjoy equal power.
Yes.
Ma'am, but it must be passed by each house separately. An amendment bill can be introduced in either house. The Constitution of India provides three methods of amending the constitution.
Okay. Acha.
Ma'am, that is simple majority. Ma'am,
Special majority.
Special majority, special majority and ratification.
Majority and
majority and
ratification.
ratification.
ठीक है. अच्छा, in the absence of vice president, who performed the work of king?
Deputy chairman.
Deputy chairman.
Deputy chairman.
Deputy chairman.
His election.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What is the procedure of electing the deputy chairman? Rajya Sabha elect its deputy chairman also from amongst its members who perform the duty of the chairman in his or her absence. ठीक है, ये बुक में ही पेज 212 के लास्ट में दिया हुआ है. अगर आपका ध्यान नहीं गया है तो आप उसको एक बार पेंसिल से आप अंडरलाइन कर लो. ठीक है. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है कि कैन वाइस प्रेसिडेंट वोट ऑन एनी इशू?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why? Why?
Ma'am, because he is not a member.
Ma'am, because he is not a member of Rajya Sabha.
Ma'am, because he is not a member of
Because
Rajya
he cannot vote on any issue, whereas the Lok Sabha speaker can.
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट बोलो, मेंशन द लेजिस्लेटिव पावर ऑफ यूनियन पार्लियामेंट.
The parliament is the highest law-making body. It makes laws on all the subjects enlisted in the union list, concurrent list, and the residuary subjects. The making of law is initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for the bill in either the two houses of the parliament. Approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill. After the passing of the bill, it is sent to the President of India to receive his consent, and after the consent is provided by the President, the bill becomes a law.
ठीक है, कोई और बोलना चाहेगा?
Yes, ma'am. The parliament
The
is the
parliament
highest
is the
lawmaking body.
highest
Laws
lawmaking
on all the subjects and listed
all
in
the
the union list, the
subjects
concurrent list, and the residuary list. Under special circumstances, it can also make laws on the subjects given in the state list. The making of laws is initiated by introducing a legislative proposal for a bill other than the money bill in the either of the houses of the parliament.
Approval of both the houses is necessary for passing a bill.
ओके, दोनों ने साथ साथ कह दिया. कृतिरान सुरभि. अच्छा, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय क्वेश्चन आवर?
Ma'am, the period when
The
questions
parliament
are asked
controls
The parliament also
by
controls the
asking
executive by asking questions. The period when questions are asked is called the question hour.
Question hour.
Parliament also controls the executive by asking questions, and the period when questions are asked is called as question hour.
अच्छा, which house has more effective control over the union executive?
Lok Sabha has more
Lok
effective
Sabha.
control over the union executive because it can pass the vote of no confidence.
Why?
Because it can
Rajya
pass
Sabha
the vote
cannot
of
pass
no
a vote
confidence.
Which can pass the
no confidence.
ma'am, vote of no confidence.
Which house cannot pass a vote of no confidence?
Rajya Sabha.
Sabha.
Good, very good. अच्छा, can you explain the meaning of collective responsibility which is given in this paragraph? that control over the executive?
Whole council of ministers is responsible collectively if a vote of no confidence is passed against any of the minister, the whole council of ministers has to resign. This is known as collective
Design
responsibility.
collectively. Very good, very good. ठीक है, तो अच्छा एक क्वेश्चन बच गया जो मैं पूछी नहीं. Mention the power and function of the speaker.
Ma'am, the Speaker presides over the meetings of the Lok Sabha. In his or her absence, the House is chaired by the Deputy Speaker.
Yes.
The Speaker maintains the discipline and decorum of the House. If the situation demands, the Speaker can adjourn the House. And all the petitions and documents addressed to the Lok Sabha are received by the Speaker. It is the Lok Sabha Speaker who presides over the joint sitting of both the Houses of the Parliament.
Okay, कोई और बोलो.
The speaker presides over the meetings of Lok Sabha. In his absence, the
absence of the House is chaired by the Deputy Speaker. The Speaker maintains the discipline and decorum of the House. If the situation demands, the Speaker can adjourn the House. All the petitions and documents addressed to the House are received by the speakers. It is the Lok Sabha Speaker who presides over the joint sitting of both the houses of the Parliament.
Okay, तनुश्री बोलनी चाह रही हो क्या? तनुश्री बोलो. तनुश्री, आपने हैंड रेस कर रखा है. तनुश्री वो नहीं किया.
speaker.
अच्छा अच्छा, चलिए चलिए. अच्छा, अब